There is no concrete or genuine reason which even I can tell you, but you can ask me. Smart meter project does not have a single disadvantage. Smart metering project, it is the meter right now. What is that? Is electronic meter, you call static meter or a digital meter. That meter will remain same for smart metering also. The word is given smart metering because it will try to communicate to the utility and it will communicate to the consumer. Now any meter which is giving you lot of insights, lot of details, lot of information in a day, on an app you will come to know that 48 readings like every half an hour. Okay, 24 into 2, that is 48 readings. You will come to know what is your consumption at your house. You will be able to analyze how my consumption is happening. Let's say you are not inside your house, you are outside, house is closed, what is the consumption, where you are using in the evening, what is the consumption, when you are not using AC, what is the consumption. So you will get this kind of insights.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.